CACC. Now I'm going to explain machine learning and a type of machine learning and some of applications of machine learning.
What is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate to predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. Types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Supervised learning is the machine learning task of learning a function that maps on input and output based on example input-output pairs. It infers a function from labeled training data consisting of a set of training examples. In supervised learning, each example is a pair of consisting of an input object and a desired output value called a supervised signal. A supervised learning algorithm analyzes the training data and produces an inferred function, which can be used for mapping new examples. An optimal scenario will allow for the algorithm to correctly determine the class labels unseen instances. This requires the learning algorithm to generalize from the training data to unseen situation in a reasonable way. This statistical quality of an algorithm measured through the so-called generalization error. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning in which the algorithm is not provided with any pre-assigned labels or scores for the training data. As a result, unsupervised learning algorithms must first self-discover any naturally occurring patterns in the training dataset. Common examples include clustering, where the algorithm automatically groups its training examples into categories with similar features, and principal common analysis, where the algorithm finds ways to compress the training data set by identifying which pairs are most useful for discriminating between different training examples and discarding the rest. This constructs with the supervised learning in which the training data include pre-assigned category labels. Other intermediate levels in the supervision spectrum include reinforcement learning, where only numerical scores are available for each training example instead of detailed tags, and semi-supervised learning, where only a portion of training data. Reinforcement learning is an area of machine learning concerned with how intelligent agents ought to take action and is an environment in order to maximize the notation of cumulative reward. Reinforcement learning is one of three basic machine learning paradigms alongside supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning differs from supervised learning is not needing labeled input output pairs be presented and it not needing suboptimal action to be explicitly corrected. Instead, the focus is on finding a balance between exploration and exploitations. Partially supervised RL algorithms can combine the advantage of supervised and ARL algorithms. Applications of machine learning. Machine learning is a buzzword for today's technology and it's growing very rapidly day by day. We are using machine learning in our daily life even without knowing it, such as Google Maps, Google Assistant, Alexa, etc. Below some most trending real world application machine learning. Automatic language transaction, medical diagnosis, stock market trading, online fraud detection, virtual personal assistant, email spam and malware filtering, self-driving cars, product recommendations, traffic predictions, speech recognition, image recognition.